Transitioning away from breastfeeding can be a complex process, and for many mothers, the thought of drying up breast milk brings feelings of uncertainty. If you're trying to stop breastfeeding and want to do so without experiencing discomfort, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 7 effective and practical methods to help you naturally and gently dry up breast milk. Let's get started. 1. Gradually reduce feeding sessions. The key to a smoother transition is to start by reducing your breastfeeding sessions gradually. This gives both you and your body time to adjust. Begin by skipping 1 session per day and replace it with formula or solid foods. This step-by-step approach helps your milk supply naturally decrease. 2. Cabbage leaves. This classic, natural remedy is a tried and tested way to reduce milk production. Simply place cold cabbage leaves in your bra, and they may help reduce swelling and alleviate discomfort. It's a simple but effective solution many mothers swear by. 3. Sudafed pseudoephedrine. A lesser-known method is using Sudafed, a common decongestant. It's been shown to decrease milk production by affecting the hormone prolactin. While it's essential to consult your doctor before trying this, it may be an option for some mothers. 4. Sage, peppermint, and parsley. Herbal remedies like sage, peppermint, and parsley have been traditionally used to help stop breastfeeding. These herbs can be taken in the form of tea or supplements. Again, consult a healthcare provider to ensure these herbs are suitable for you. 5. Use ice packs to reduce swelling. If you're feeling engorged, cold compresses or ice packs can provide relief. They help reduce swelling and discomfort while signaling to your body that it has time to decrease milk production. 6. Birth control pills. Hormonal birth control pills can suppress lactation by altering your hormone levels. Your doctor can guide you in choosing the right option and dosage, making it a medically assisted way to stop breastfeeding more quickly. 7. Give your body time and patience. It's important to remember that every mother's journey is different. Some women take days to dry up, while others may take weeks. Be patient with yourself and listen to your body's needs as you go through this transition. We hope these 7 methods have provided you with helpful, practical solutions for drying up breast milk. The journey may come with challenges, but with time, support, and the right approach, you'll get through it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with other mothers, and subscribe for more tips and advice. You're not alone on this journey. Do you have any personal tips for drying up breast milk? Share your experiences in the comments below. And remember, consult your doctor before trying any new methods to ensure they're right for you. Stay tuned for more videos, and best of luck with your breastfeeding journey.